It's an under power video demonstration of a YCM NTC-1600LSY, new in 2017. Just kind of doing a walk around of the machine, and then we're going to have a little dry run of the machine as far as its condition. It's a YCM FANUC TXP-200FA control. It's a very, very nice chip conveyor, bar feed. This is the YCM NTC-1600LSY. We're just looking at the inside of the machine and kind of doing a dry run of the machine to let people know that this machine is a very, very operational machine. Take a look at the quote, but there's very, very low hours on this machine. It's a sub spindle to the right. Part catcher down here. So this concludes the video of the YCM NTC-1600LSY, new in 2017, with about 4,400 hours on it. We'll have that in the quote, proper like. Machine is new in 2017. It is a beautiful, beautiful machine. Available after July 15th.